I know it's super windy, so hopefully you guys can hear me today. First, with the bad news, no more Damien. I don't know what happened to him, but he must have had some type of injury, and it ended up getting a bunch of maggots, which is pretty odd because I handled him a lot, and I really didn't notice that he had any issues or anything until I took him out maybe like last week, and then I noticed he just had a really bad injury with a bunch of maggots living in it. So no more Damien. So that leads us to the next thing. Our cage that we had for Damien got converted into the young bird cage now. And there they are. Got their water here and their perches.